Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore QQQ in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 25th of September, 2024, and now we aim to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and activate the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Utilize the power of AI and receive complimentary price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. As of September 24th, 2024, our system has identified QQQ as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.59. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 0.09%. This equates to an average return of 0.05% per day since it was categorized as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is situated at the upper part of a broad and declining trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders. A reaction back toward the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $490.41 will initially suggest a slower rate of decline, and it may signal the beginning of a trend reversal. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 2.9% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from a negative 14.68% to a negative 1.98%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 30.79% over the upcoming year, with a potential return between 21.59% and 42.62%. This implies a price range of $590.71 to $692.89 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for QQQ includes the headline: QQQ ETF price up 0.0927% on Wednesday. The QQQ ETF price increased by 0.0927% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 25th of September, 2024. The price rose from $485.37 to $485.82. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be intriguing to see whether it can maintain this upward trend or if it will take a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 0.667%, with a day low of $484.56 and a day high of $487.79. The price has risen on 7 of the last 10 days and has increased by 3.67% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 96,000 shares, with a total of 26 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $12.41 billion. It is important to note that declining volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $503.52, while the lowest price was $342.35. Currently, the price is 3.52%, or $17.70, below the 52-week high of $503.52, which also represents the all-time high for the ETF. The Invesco QQQ Trust is navigating a mixed environment as of late September 2024. Following a significant sell-off in July, driven by concerns over artificial intelligence-related technology spending and lofty valuations, the QQQ has shown resilience. Last week, despite bearish sentiment persisting, the index closed up approximately 2.7% from its recent lows, aided by optimism surrounding potential rate cuts from the Federal Reserve. This backdrop may create a platform for a year-end rally in tech equities, particularly for the QQQ, as favorable market conditions emerge. Investors are realizing the long-term potential of index-based exchange-traded funds like the QQQ. Historical data indicates that consistent investment in these funds can yield substantial returns, and with the right long-term strategy, even modest monthly contributions could compound significantly over time. Moreover, artificial intelligence continues to draw attention as a transformative force across industries, suggesting that companies within the QQQ are positioned to benefit from enhanced efficiencies and cost savings. As the market anticipates the Federal Reserve's decision, this uncertainty is likely to prompt volatility, providing both risks and opportunities. Currently, the QQQ's price action is characterized by a consolidation phase, which could result in an upside breakout if bullish catalysts materialize. In the short term, we may see fluctuations driven by external economic factors, but the long-term outlook remains optimistic, given the enduring strength of the tech sector and the ongoing integration of artificial intelligence technologies. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. The chart today shows mostly positive signals. The QQQ exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal arising from the relationship between these two indicators, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support is expected at the levels of 480 and 469. A breakdown below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, the 10th of July, 2024, and since then, the stock has declined by 3.41%. However, further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices rose. This disconnect between volume and price may serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the ETF closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 55 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 37 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 12 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 9 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 11 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 12 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 212 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $448.75 and $439.53. There is a natural risk involved when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level, as breaking this level could lead to a decline to the next support. In this instance, QQQ finds support just below today's level at $448.75. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $439.53 and $435.37. This exchange-traded fund is generally traded at a good volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the risk is assessed to be low. Over the past day, the exchange-traded fund moved $3.23, reflecting a change of 0.667% between its high and low. For the past week, the exchange-traded fund has exhibited a daily average volatility of 0.96%. Before we explore potential trading levels for QQQ, let's take a moment to review some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This significant ratio assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may suggest a lack of optimism about the company's future or that the stock is undervalued, which could present a potential buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQ is at $491.93. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at $448.75. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $470.86, which represents a decline of 3.08%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits low daily movements, resulting in a lower risk profile. Additionally, there is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom that was identified 109 days ago. Is the QQQ ETF a good buy? Several short-term indicators are showing positive signals. Even though the ETF is currently experiencing a downward trend, we believe that the present price level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for the ETF to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 26th of September, we anticipate that the QQQ will open higher by approximately 23 cents, starting trading at $486.06. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best wishes from all of us here at Stock Invest.